Okay, this video purposely long all all members na usad all members too you blog lo phone na asking me long group some OLSP got WhatsApp group or only that all Narbla all group well OLSP got all group roll inside long all system. So once you go inside the system, OLSP that all professional groups have inside the system. You know, on the group outside the system. So you come inside the OLSP system. And by showing you display screen. At first, you come inside and show you display screen. So time you start inside the screen now. By looking at by that menu na affiliate. So you select the menu. Select the menu na Tumblr will go some events, community, bonus, valve, skills center, support, leaderboard, app sites, na AI, your AI profile. So on top you look community where professional group members have inside them. So all group you got. So you click him up, by look him. How about you go along all group come on left side long community underneath the community by look him. You new blog group on whenever line new blog line come inside, you can post him lemon. You can also see from points blue inside long leaderboard. So we look at we got slide, general discussion. You introduce him you yet. Now you set him result below you, no OLSP. Now you got one question or one thinking long ask him, or you got problem on them understanding. You can ask him when directly, no team blame album you. Now this like no nubla all sides. That you find a problem, the all the site na nubla site, you come there and post him. All this like regarding mega link, any mega link issues, you go all learn you post it. Okay, Tableau will go some side move. All plus site by move come on nubla site. So whenever problem you work no experience now, you must alert him before the 24th. April or 24th this month. So I'm also all training or programs for I'm supposed to learn. Supposed to not show the link because you can come there. When say label or pioneer more deeper all training. So WhatsApp, Instagram, any all group channels belong OLSP no get. You no gan polling you let inside law. Slow system and OLSP is inside. OLSP provide him all the something inside one blouse to solve. Meaning inside law, one plus system to solve. And OLSP Academy. So you come there and we look at some all group. All when I'm concerned, we'll ask him I'm coming there. All professional members have inside. You put in one plan by reply to you. Now you can see him 24/7 and Sably to inside. That you ask him inside the group. Now you'll ask him specific question regarding system to you. And you come there. You get support system to have stuff. All can album you 24/7 too. So you tell him like come there and you post him. You go to support the soldier, you raise him ticket blue and have a new ticket. Now you write him message blue, one message you like selling go along. OLSP support. But otherwise, no got outside legislative system, no got one separate community group only operate, no got. OLSP got one system to solve. Now inside the system we find community. They can engage na same album lo one another. Okay, alright, now look again long na site.